Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a tomato and fish curry. You need 2 large onions, tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, fish, any kind of fish, turmeric, salt and dried mango. I've just poured 2 cups of water into the pan and I'm going to add my onions to this. And this is just to make it soft. I've also added 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1 spoon of turmeric powder. What you then need to do is add your tomatoes. I've got frozen tomatoes. There's no problem with using frozen tomatoes. You could use fresh ones. And this is only because I couldn't find the ripe tomatoes right this minute because the season's not right now. Just give it a good old stir and cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, after about 5 to 10 minutes, I keep an eye on my tomatoes, give it a little stir and make sure that basically they're breaking down very nicely. If you've got one of those mashers, I'd recommend you to use it. It's really good to squash your tomatoes and make sure the flavour's coming out, because this dish is very much based on the tomato flavour. Before we add the fish basically. So the next thing I do is add my dry mango for flavour, and I also give it a good old stir. And now I'm going to add my fish to the dish. Basically the sauce you've just made, you want that to be covering all the fish. Be really gentle, you don't want to break the fish, but do give it a little stir and leave it covered for about another 10 minutes. In the meantime, put your kettle on because you need about 8 to 10 cups of water to go in this dish. This dish is a bit like a soup, but it's very flavoursome. The reason why I use hot water is because I don't want to lose the temperature of my curry at all. Also, give it another little stir and cover it for about 15 minutes because you now want the fish to cook. Gently reduce the heat so it doesn't burn. So the next thing we're going to do, guys, is fry the garlic, which you should have chopped by now. So just put 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Use olive oil. It's a really healthy option. To test if the oil's ready, I always add a few sprinkles of garlic first, and when it sizzles like that, you just put the rest in. Again, please make sure that your garlic isn't burnt, but you want it to go brown. Basically, when it gets brown like this, what you do is be really careful with this, but you pour it into the pan of tomatoes and fish. The curry you've made, you just literally pour it in there. And honestly, the smell from this is amazing. Until you do it, you're not going to realise how this is such a delicious dish. Everybody loves it. For garnish, just add some coriander chopped on top, and your finished result should look like this. Enjoy. Let me know how you find it.